Alright guys, this video is pretty self-explanatory. I don't have a lathe, but every once in a while I'll get an itch to turn a vessel, and when I do, I use my drill press. Being as that I don't have a lathe, I don't have lathe tools, so I start with a rasp and finish up with sandpaper. Anything else that you could want to learn about the process is pretty much just shown in the video footage itself. After I've finished shaping the vessel to my liking, I will often finish the vessel on the drill press. As you can see, it's chucked into the drill press with a piece of dowel that is glued into the vessel. So afterward, I will cut that off and drill that out. At that point, later on, if I want to hollow the vessel out, I'll go ahead and use a hook knife. On these, I didn't hollow too much because this is a pretty light wood, and I wanted to leave a lot of the weight. If you want any information on some of the finishes that I used or any further descriptions of materials, check out some of my last posts. The details are included there. Since this video is also going on YouTube, when I say my last few posts, I mean on Instagram. So from here, I'm just going to shut up and let you finish watching the rest of the video. Thanks for watching.